2017 Honda Accord Sport. We have Kevin over here farting around. Over here, what we did today, guys, is a resonator and a muffler delete. Starting from the front, looks like he has a cat right there. Resonator that we removed and the mufflers that we took off. They're right there on the floor. Check those out. And then this is the resonator that we took out. He wanted these burnt blue tips, quad tips right there. They're available at gexhaust.com. He also has semi-slicks, if you could see. Guys, don't do this, yo. If you're gonna get some exhaust work done, I mean, I hope this guy's going to get a tire afterwards, but go get a tire first before you get the exhaust work done. You want to push the car, you know what I mean? Then you're gonna fucking push it in a wall. God damn it! Check out the links in the description. We have merch at muffyd.com, and we're franchising, so if you want to own a G exhaust, we'll send you a franchisee packet with all the information. Let's hear this thing.